Found the roof. Oh man, how spectacular. See my house from here. It's a little bit of a drop. Jeez. Look at that. So I guess those little, it must be the lightning rods on top of the.
Oh, yeah.
That's fun. Be fun to be a here in a lightning storm, having it hit right around here. Probably not. It'd definitely be pretty loud. Oh, how cool! Wonder what that was. Probably shouldn't step on it. There's like a hole underneath or something. Just debris that's probably been up here long enough to grow plants in it.
Oh, yeah.
This one's sitting up here. Look at that lightning rod wire comes down to here and probably gets ground out through the building.
I can only imagine what the view was like before the skyscraper.
Oh yeah, for sure. For sure. So I've been on top of that building and on top of this one now. Now I just gotta get on top of some of those over there.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Probably shouldn't lean out too far over that window.